Einstein therapy body energy cosmic energy usage in body healthy energetic longer life. 1. When we tire from daily activities we sleep to regain strength. 2. Sleep comes into form deep sleep without dreams and restless sleep with dreams. 3. In dreams the subconscious mind presents various scenes and events but these dream experiences are not real, they are merely false thoughts and imagined occurrences. 5. To awaken from this illusion we practice awakening dream, recognizing that what we see in the world is also a dream of the waking state. 6. Just as nighttime dreams are not true, the objects we perceive in our waking life are not the ultimate reality, they are merely manifestations of wakingstate dreams. 7. For self-realization of body energy and soul energy we observe the back of the hand as if it were a dream, asking many questions about it while repeatedly answering, I do not know. This practice detaches the mind from ego and attachment to the object we ask. 8. Is this a hand? I do not know. Is this my hand? I do not know. Is it someone else's hand? I do not know. Is it a young person's hand? I do not know. Is it an old person's hand? I do not know. Is it a male hand? I do not know. Is it a female hand? I do not know. Is it a beautiful hand? I do not know. Is it an ugly hand? I do not know. Is it a shining hand? I do not know. Does it have wrinkles? I do not know. Does it contain earth element? I do not know. Does it contain water element? I do not know. Does it contain fire element? I do not know. Does it contain air element? I do not know. Does it contain space element? I do not know. Is it made of muscle? I do not know. Is it made of fat? I do not know. Is it made of bone? I do not know. Is it made of blood? I do not know. Is it composed of sound tanmatras? I do not know. Is it composed of touch tanmatras? I do not know. Is it composed of form tanmatras? I do not know. Is it composed of taste tanmatras? I do not know. Is it composed of smell tanmatras? I do not know. Does it have fingers, palm, back hair or veins? I do not know. 9. Finally we ask, is this real? And answer, I do not know. Thus then we recognize that the true reality is the physical energy and soul energy which is luminous LIGHTFRM Kenod WLEDGFRM SCTIONFRM truth eternal and conscious. This energy performs inner functions for the body's health and outer functions for the world. 11. Thus, just as Einstein's pure energy formula is the MC superscript to all objects in the universe are merely collections of energies. The true essence of any object is the combination of body energy and soul energy. 12 benefits of this ACLFRELIZATION of body energy and soul energy include gaining strength throughout the body, achieving health, and attaining long life. 13. It cultivates a positive mindset, feelings of giving, love, peace and joy leading to success and happiness in actions. It also reduces ego and attachment toward the body. 14. For further information or consultation you can contact him through his book Aim of Life Healthy Body Mind Spirit, available in English and Hindi, his YouTube channel and community ID Shashi Pathria, his WhatsApp group Yoga Club Povai, and his Facebook group Healthy Body Mind Spirit. For additional guidance or holistic and spiritual healing, email shashipthria@pathriayurvedic.com or shashipthria@gmail.com. Call 9312834072 or WhatsApp 9311669954.
Please subscribe our video, like our video, give comments to our video, share our video to your contacts, ring bell of notification for spiritual healing, for healthy body, mind, spirit. Please contact Shashi Pathria 9311659954 WhatsApp number. Thanks.